for clicking on this video. You guys, I was not planning on filming this video today. When I woke up this morning, I got a notification saying that my Forever Mood candles would be delivered today. I was so excited. And so this is just going to be like an unboxing and first impressions. It won't be like necessarily a full review. So out of the 4 candles that Forever Mood offers, I've only gotten 3 of them. So I have Matcha Business, Caked Up, and Left on Red. Unfortunately, I was not able to get Cup and Season. I got to the site for the pre-order. I got there 20 minutes late. And so by the time I got there, Cup and Season was already sold out, which I figured it was going to be because that was the one that was #1 on my list. And then when she opened up the website to the public, those that weren't necessarily on the Forever Mood email list, I got there late again. I think I was like maybe 40 minutes late to that one. When I got there again, Cupping Season was sold out again. So I want to share with you guys the candles that I did get. Like I said, this will be my first impression, so I haven't smelled them yet. I haven't opened them or anything, so let's get into it. So the first one that I want to get into opening is going to be Matcha Business. So the scent details on this, the top is hazelnut, coffee, almond milk, and honey. The heart of it is coffee and lavender, and the base is going to be vanilla. First of all, I love this packaging. Absolutely love this packaging. So the candles, of course, they were shipped in like your traditional like cardboard box, but the candles individually are packaged in these really, I don't know what this is. I guess it would be like some sort of cardboard, but it's very sturdy. And on the outside, it is just so soft. It's so smooth. And then you can see like how the lettering in the gold is very reflective, has their logo there, and then it has the scent details on the back. So once you pop that top off, this is what it looks like. Now I did notice, and this is probably just because of shipping, you see how it's torn here, which is not a big deal to me. Like I really don't care about that because the candles still fit in here, but that's just probably from shipping that happened. But here is the candle. Here it is. This is Matcha Business. So I'm gonna pop the top off. Oh. Okay, this is like the perfect fall candle. Perfect. This just smells like you're ready to snuggle up at a fireplace. So I definitely smell the coffee in there, definitely have the vanilla base. This is, wow. Yeah, it definitely smells exactly like what it says. It says Matcha Hazelnut Latte Scented Candle, and that's exactly what it smells like. So let's get into the next one. The next one is actually going to be Caked Up. Caked Up, so the description on here is pistachio cake frosting scented candle. The top is roasted pistachio, almond cream, and pineapple. The heart is honey, jasmine, coconut, and the base is vanilla bean and musk. So once again, same packaging. Same thing happened to this one, as you can see. Like I said, it's not a big deal. I don't care about that because the candles still fit securely in there. So that's not a big deal if that happens to you guys packaging. This smells like it smells like pistachio cake. It's very, I think it's like an adult version of a birthday cake scent. You know the birthday cake scent? I usually think of that as being like kind of like a preteen, teenager scent, but this is like your grown lady birthday cake. So you do have that kind of nutty pistachio, which is very warm. The vanilla is in there. You have that kind of vanilla cake sort of scent. I really like it. I really like this one. This is gonna be great. I'm excited, especially now. It's the end of August right now, so we're getting into fall soon, and I think these candles are gonna be great for fall. So the very last one I have here is Left on Red. So the description is coconut caramel scented candle. So the top is tropical fruit, heart is coconut and coconut milk, and the base is caramel. Same packaging again. Oh, wow. Okay, so to me, this one, what is it, the description? Coconut caramel? I don't know if I would describe it as coconut caramel. Maybe for my nose, it doesn't hit that way. It's very tropical, like a warm tropical scent. You guys, it reminds me of, okay, this is really, really random and odd. And I don't know if you guys would get this, but you know, like when you would go to a fair as a kid and they have those huge lollipops, like they were like multicolored and they would take you forever to eat. I mean, they were literally like the size of your head. That's what it kind of smells like, but an adult version of that. So it's like that kind of tropically fruity smell. And I guess that is a little bit like a caramel and coconut. I love this, I love it. I'm gonna start burning this one today. So a little bit of information about the candles in general. So all of the candles are 10 ounces. The burn time is up to 65 hours. It's 100% natural coconut soy wax. And it gives you some instructions on like when you, at the bottom, it gives you some instructions for some burning tips. So of course, like trimming the wick of your candle and things of that nature. I would like to add that the company is eco-friendly. When I got my shipping, the notification let me know that it was carbon neutral shipment. And then on the packaging, it also lets you know it's eco-friendly and it says it's paraben free. And then also, of course, it's made in the US. So I'm very excited. I love these candles so far. And you guys know, as soon as cupping season comes back in stock, I absolutely will be purchasing it. And then maybe once I get that, I'll do a full review on the candles and how they burn and how they last and maybe how they even like kind of scent up the room. If you guys have any questions or any suggestions, please leave them down below in the comment section. And thank you so much again for watching this video. Bye.